Coronavirus hospitalizations and ICU cases rise in Maryland as the state reports more than 400 new cases today. 22 more people are now in the hospital with 5 new patients in the ICU. 11 more Marylanders have died from the coronavirus, bringing the total number of deaths to 3,522. Hello again, I'm Tim Williams.
And I'm Lynn Bowie.
The statewide positivity rate remains flat at 3.22%, while Baltimore City's positivity rate is at a record low.
So this morning, city leaders gave an update on the pandemic and the success the city has had following its aggressive approach to keep people safe. WJZ is live at City Hall. Rachel Carden has the latest update from the city. Rachel?
That's right, Lynn and Tim. Now, according to the governor's most recent numbers, Baltimore City has fallen below a 5% positivity rate. But according to the mayor and the Baltimore City Health Commissioner today, they're worried about moving too aggressively into the reopening process.
Good morning.
Baltimore City's Commissioner of Health says for the first time the positivity rate in the city is below 5%. Originally, the city had a goal of a 10% positivity rate to enter phase 3. While the numbers are looking good, local leaders are still weighing the decisions about indoor dining, large gatherings, and activities. They say while numbers are positive, they can't make any decisions at this time. The city has roughly 13,500 confirmed COVID-19 cases, with 144 people in the hospital. 414 people have died from the virus, which is why the mayor is still pushing strict adherence to mask wearing, limited capacities, and social distancing.
And I'm keep seeing people complaining about masks and asking for exceptions to be made. Let me be very clear, COVID is not making exceptions. We all need to be asking about how we can better protect our family, friends, and neighbors. We need all of our residents to commit to wearing face covering. It is the easiest thing we can do to slow the spread.
Now, trash collection continues to be a problem, with several DPW workers testing positive for COVID-19 and several others quarantining because of it. Now, we're hearing from the mayor that there are sites set up where people can drop off their trash, but we're also hearing the city is working to get contractors in here to help with the workload. We're live at City Hall. I'm Rachel Carden for WJZ.
Thank you, Rachel. New at noon, Maryland applies for additional federal funding for unemployment benefits for those who lost their jobs because of the pandemic. If approved, the Lost Wages Assistance Grant will provide an additional $300 per week to unemployment benefits. Governor Larry Hogan released a statement on Twitter saying, "Far too many Marylanders are still struggling to make ends meet. With this critical funding, we can help them weather this storm, get back on their feet, and recover."